मुझसे कई लोग कई बार पूछते हैं, क्या सच में क्रिप्टो करेंसी कभी भी स्टॉक मार्केट को टेक ओवर कर पाएगा, या फिर स्टॉक्स जिस तरह से रूल कर रहे हैं इसी तरीके से रूल करते रहेंगे। चलिए जानते हैं इस वीडियो में कि सच्चाई क्या है। तो दोस्तों, क्या आपको भी लगता है कि स्टॉक मार्केट ही सब कुछ है, सबसे ज़्यादा रिटर्न स्टॉक मार्केट से ही बनाया जा सकता है, और ऐसा कोई मार्केट इस दुनिया में है ही नहीं जहाँ पे इस तरीके का हाई रिटर्न बनाया जा सकता है। फॉर एग्जांपल 20%, 30%, 40% रिटर्न। 40% तो शायद मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया, 30% ही बहुत ज़्यादा होता है बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए, बड़े फंड मैनेजर्स के लिए 30% रिटर्न इज़ लाइक वे टू मच। सो क्या स्टॉक मार्केट ही एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे इतने ज़्यादा रिटर्न बनाए जा सकते हैं और ऐसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है इस दुनिया में? वेल, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है तो गलत लगता है, क्योंकि जंगल में एक और शेर काफ़ी टाइम से आ चुका है। हालांकि हम इस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते हैं। इसका नाम है क्रिप्टो मार्केट। तो क्रिप्टो मार्केट एक ऐसा मार्केट है जहाँ पे स्टॉक मार्केट से कई गुना ज़्यादा रिटर्न बनाया जा सकता है ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। इट जस्ट नीड्स योर अटेंशन। अगर आप इसमें सही टाइम पे सही जगह में सही इन्वेस्टमेंट करें तो स्टॉक मार्केट से 3 गुना, 4 गुना, 5 गुना ज़्यादा रिटर्न बनाया जा सकता है। ये ऑलरेडी प्रूव हो चुका है विद द हेल्प ऑफ बिटकॉइन। अगर आप इस वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहोगे तो एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो आई विल शेयर समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल विथ यू विच विल हेल्प यू टू मेक लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉफिट्स फ्रॉम बिटकॉइन। अगर आपको याद होगा तो रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी ने ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म कर दिया था पूरे दुनिया को कि गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड बिटकॉइन आर द सेफ हेवन्स। यानी कि गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड बिटकॉइन एक ऐसा इन्वेस्टमेंट जोन्स है जहाँ पे आप अपना पैसा आराम से पार्क कर सकते हैं और ए लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम अपने पैसों को भूल सकते हैं, which means that your money is in the safe hands. And this list includes Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Stock market is over 400 years old. But what about the crypto market? Well, crypto market is barely 15. But that does not mean that crypto market does not have the potential. It has a humongous potential when we compare it with the stock market. अगर आप किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक में पैसा इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो ऑन एन एनुअल बेसिस हाउ मच रिटर्न कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट? इट कैन बी 15 to 20%, मैक्स टू मैक्स इट कैन गो टू 25-30%, समटाइम्स इट कैन गो टू 40% एज वेल. But when it comes to the Bitcoin, when it comes to other famous cryptocurrencies, well, the returns can be way much more higher. It can go beyond 60% on an annual basis. अगर हम डेटा को चेक करें तो हमें पता चलता है कि अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 3 to 6% ऑफ द इंडियन पॉपुलेशन डायरेक्टली इन्वेस्ट इन द स्टॉक मार्केट, विथ recent figures from early 2025 showing a significant increase in the investor numbers and a substantial portion of Indian household, around 17% as of late 2023. ये हमें ये बता रहा है कि एग्जैक्टली कितने परसेंटेज ऑफ द इंडियन पॉपुलेशन आर करेंटली एक्टिवली इन्वेस्टिंग इन द स्टॉक मार्केट. But when we talk about the crypto market, the estimates are quite frightening. Estimates for the percentage of the Indian population trading in crypto varies, but recent figures from mid-2025 suggest around 8 to 9% own some of the cryptocurrencies. तो ये हमें डेफिनेटली ये बताता है कहीं ना कहीं जो इंडियन पॉपुलेशन है वो क्रिप्टो में कम इन्वेस्ट करती है एंड ज़्यादा प्रेफर करती है स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट करना. बट ऐसा आखिर क्यों है? क्या कई लोगों को इंडिया में अभी भी क्रिप्टो मार्केट समझ में नहीं आता है, या उनको क्रिप्टो मार्केट बहुत अनसिक्योर लगता है, अनसेफ लगता है, जिसकी वजह से वो लोग ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना? जब हम स्टॉक मार्केट में एनालिसिस की बात करते हैं तो हम नॉर्मली फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस करते हैं या फिर हम टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करते हैं. फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस में हम कई सारे रेशियोज़ को चेक करते हैं, हम बैलेंस शीट को चेक करते हैं, प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट को चेक करते हैं, इनकम स्टेटमेंट को चेक करते हैं, हम शेयर होल्डिंग को चेक करते हैं कि कितने परसेंटेज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर शेयर हैज़ बीन होल्डेड बाय द प्रमोटर्स, द पीपल ऑफ द कंट्री एंड अदर बिग इन्वेस्टर्स like foreign institutional investors, right? These are some of the fundamentals we check when we talk about a particular stock. Also, we check the intention of the management का current intention क्या है and what are their plans for the future. These are some of the fundamentals we try to check when we talk about stocks in the stock market. Along with that, we also try to figure out the technical analysis aspect of the stock, like अभी currently technical indicators क्या बता रहे हैं stock के बारे में, right? But when it comes to the crypto market, things are not as simple as they appear to be. A lot of people think that crypto market में कोई fundamentals होता नहीं है, and we just use technical indicators in the crypto market to identify whether the cryptocurrency is going to rise or fall in the future, but that's not entirely true. In crypto market as well, we focus on the fundamentals. Well, the fundamentals is basically suggesting you to focus on the organization or on the unit or the group of people who actually introduced that crypto in the market. When we talk about understanding the fundamental analysis in the crypto market, we are basically talking about the focus on the project, the assessing intrinsic value, and long-term investment decisions when we talk about the cryptocurrencies. So the main focus area is the project based on which the crypto was introduced in the crypto market. So these are some of the areas on which we focus, so we can actually try to understand what is the actual fundamentals of that crypto. बट द प्रॉब्लम इन दिस केस इज़ दैट ये इस तरह का फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस करना हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं है, क्योंकि इसमें काफ़ी डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन को चेक करना पड़ता है, एंड यू ऑल्सो नीड टू इंश्योर दैट द इन्फॉर्मेशन यू आर ट्राइंग टू चेक यू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड दैट. इस तरह का डिटेल्स एंड इनसाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन सबके पास नॉर्मली अवेलेबल नहीं होता है इन द क्रिप्टो मार्केट. सो ये चेक करना भी सबके लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो मैं सोचता हूँ एंड मैं ये समझता हूँ कि ये एक तरह का लिमिटेशन है विच वी हैव इन द क्रिप्टो मार्केट राइट नाउ, बिकॉज दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन इज़ रेडली नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन एनी वेबसाइट फॉर द लोकल पीपल or for the public at large. You will have to do some research, you will have to figure out what's going on, who is behind those projects, and how they are planning to run that project in the future. So these are the things you will have to try to understand when you talk about the fundamental analysis in the crypto market, right? And at the same time, when we talk about the technical analysis, well, technical analysis is something which works in the same way with the same behavior in the all markets. So अगर आप किसी भी तरह के टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर को यूज़ करते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल बॉलिंगर बैंड हो गया और 52 वीक लो एंड 52 वीक हाई हो गया, एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू ट्राई टू चेक like moving averages or exponential moving averages, they work in the same way whether you use it in the stock market or the crypto market. Another important point that I would like to discuss in this video is that crypto market works 24/7, but when we talk about the stock market, well, there are weekends on which the stock market is actually off or closed, right? So Saturday and Sunday market नहीं चलता है, सबको मालूम है. Also on holidays, on specific holidays like Diwali and Holi, you can expect the market to stay closed. But when we talk about the crypto market, it's 24/7. There is no holiday, there is no seasonal off, or there is no weekends. हर दिन, हर समय, हर पल क्रिप्टो मार्केट चलता है. आप जैसा स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो, 24/7, including weekends and holidays, the market is actually running hour after hour. But when we talk about the Indian stock market, till Monday to Friday from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. IST, the market remains open. After that, the market is actually closed. You can see that there is a difference in both of the markets. One advantage I would say with the crypto market is that you can invest at any point of time, and you can also withdraw at any point of time in the market. That is actually not available in the stock market. So ये एक लिमिटेशन है, या फिर ये एक डिसएडवांटेज है स्टॉक मार्केट का, कि वहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर डेज पे या फिर एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे आप चाह के भी अपना फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटी नहीं कर पाओगे, चाह के भी सेल नहीं कर सकते, चाहे बाय नहीं कर सकते. You can't do it on the weekend like Saturday and Sundays. You can't do it on holidays or seasonal off, whatever it is. But when it comes to crypto market, yeah, it can be done at any point of time. So this advantage lies in the crypto market. Another important point I would like to discuss is that in India right now there are no regulatory bodies in order to regulate the crypto market. But for stock market, we have SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India, in order to regulate the stock market, and also we have NISM powered by SEBI to educate the investors and other individuals who want to participate in the market. So stock market is quite well regulated if we see. However, there have been incidents where we are actually aware that SEBI was not able to take appropriate actions against the people who have tried to take advantage of the stock market. But overall, the regulatory body has been there as a watchdog for the stock exchange, and also we have NISM which continues to provide important information along with educational content for the people at large. बट जब हम क्रिप्टो मार्केट के बारे में बात करते हैं तो क्रिप्टो मार्केट में ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. इंडिया में कोई रेगुलेटरी बॉडी नहीं है, कोई रेगुलेशंस नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. बट अगेन the government would want to tax you for the profits that you make in the crypto market, And I think that is just one-sided sword. You need to actually understand the importance of this market, the potential that it has right now, and this potential is only going to increase in the future. So better the government should create a regulatory body as soon as possible in order to give more importance and more weightage for the crypto market that it actually deserves. So question उठता है कि will the crypto market overshadow the stock market? Well, from my point of view, the answer is crypto market to some extent may overshadow the stock market in the coming future, but will not completely replace it. Now that we are coming quite closer to the end of this video, I would really appreciate the people who have stayed in the video till this time. As I have promised, I am going to share something special with you which will help you to make better returns in the crypto market if you are actively trading in that market. I would like to share my screen and show you something quite special which you may or may not have noticed in the past. जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, ये एक बिटकॉइन का चार्ट है and the current price of the bitcoin, as we can see, it's around like 1,10,000 US dollars, right? So इस बिटकॉइन के चार्ट पे मैंने तीन सिंपल मूविंग एवरेजेस लगाए हैं, एक है 50, एक है 200 एंड एक है 300. The red line is for 50 moving average, the blue line is for 200 and the black line is for 300, right? So यहाँ पे आपको एक ट्रेंड दिखाई देगा जो कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यूनिक है. I don't know if any of you guys have noticed this trend before or not, but what I can see is that whenever the Bitcoin price comes near or if it touches the 300 moving average, as you can see this black line, it actually bounces from that point and it goes up. Sometimes it may come down again, it will touch the 300 moving average, it may stay there for a while and then it will again bounce back to the upper side. It's not going down, and this has happened two times. We can see in the past, which was basically the last time it was on if we can see, it's 6th of April, and before that it happened last on 11th of March. So all of those bouncings were actually happened in the current year, that is 2025, right? And if we go back in time, we can again see that the Bitcoin price has touched again the 300 moving average, which was on 10th of October 2024. Before that it again happened on 7th of September 2024. Again it happened on 4th of September 2024. Before that it happened again on 5th of August 2024. So what is this actually suggesting us? It suggests that whenever the Bitcoin price touches the 300-day simple moving average or even stays there for a while, it will actually bounce back to the upward direction, not the downward direction. We have seen in the past as well. We can see that this is basically the chart of the Bitcoin. We can clearly see, and even if you go even back for the year 2023, it actually touched, we can clearly see it actually touched the 300-day simple moving average, which was on 11th of September 2023, and then it actually started bouncing back to the upward direction. So what does this actually means? It means that there is an opportunity for you to invest in the Bitcoin whenever it comes closer or stays near the 300-day simple moving average. So जब भी ये 300-day simple moving average के पास आता है, it's basically an opportunity to put your money, your free money, whatever free money you have, you can actually put that free money in this bad boy. This Bitcoin is actually a very bad boy which can give you very, very interesting and amazing returns in the future. So always keep an eye on this 300-day moving average. Whenever this bad boy comes to 300-day moving average, it can give you interestingly amazing results. Yeah, that's right. And this is basically a very good investment strategy in your 20s and 30s. Whenever you see this is happening, you should put your money here and just forget that money. After 10 or 20 years, come back and you will see you might have become a millionaire or maybe a crorepati, whatever it means to you. I'm pretty sure that this will definitely work for a lot of people who are going to follow what I have just said in this video. तो आपको मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन कैसा लगा? कि आपको मज़ा आया? कि आपको समझ आया कि ये जो ऑब्जर्वेशन मैंने अपना आपके साथ शेयर किया है, is this effective? Do you think that it will work in future as well? Do you think that in future, if the Bitcoin price comes near or stays around the 300-day moving average, it's actually gonna bounce back to the upward direction? If that happens, I believe that whatever I have analyzed and whatever I have predicted is actually working. I will also keep an eye on the Bitcoin in future, and I will see what really happens. Now the question is exactly when you should sell the Bitcoin. Well, I will not answer that question right now. If you really want to know the answer, just type in the comment section below, and I will try to make another video on that. I would like to see if you are really interested in that topic, and if you are, well, we will meet again soon in a new video where I will tell you on how to deal with Bitcoin in a more interesting and a quite exciting manner, right? Now here is a bigger question for you. If you have 80% of your total wealth to invest in one market, which specific market would you choose? Will you choose the stock market where you have more confidence on the stocks, or will you dare to choose the crypto market, which is way more unpredictable compared to the stocks? Well, the decision is on you. Tell me in the comment section below, what do you think about the stock and the crypto market? Perhaps we can make another video on this topic. अभी के लिए इतना ही. I hope you liked the video. If you really liked it, make sure to subscribe the channel and like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time that you have given to us. We will come back again with a new topic with a new video. Till then, thank you so much and have a nice day.